What up, YouTube? I'm gonna get back at it today. We're gonna start tearing down the single overhead cam heads from my EJ251 to put onto the WRX block, the EJ255, which will be going in the Beetle over here eventually. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I got this timing belt off of Rock Auto. Put the link up on the description. I'm hoping that I just cheat this to thinking it's still on the motor.
Yeah, we are in the place to be.
So we got the cam gears off. Next up will be to get these cam caps, cam girdles, whatever you want to call them, out of there. We'll send the cams to Delta. These heads here are going to be going on a WRX block. So it's made for turbocharge, and I was not intending on starting the car turbocharged, but doing that in the future. But, you know, let me know what you guys think. Maybe it's easier to start right off the bat. Comment, let me know what you guys want to see. So we're going to start by taking the cam covers off, and then make our way to the valve springs, and then we'll get these sent over to the machine shop so we can get the heads checked. Probably get a couple valves replaced because they did come off a motor with the timing belt snapped. But that's fine, rebuilding the heads anyways. So let's get into it. Same thing for the other one, and get these cams out of here. Progress today. We got the cam caps off. Take the cams out, send them to Delta, get them reground. Now, probably just take the springs and the retainers out, and then bring them to the machine shop to get them checked and reworked. This is awesome. We're on the last step of getting the heads torn down, which requires getting those springs out. I'm gonna use a tool I got off of Amazon. So watch them and see how it goes.